Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2018 435D M Sport Gran Coupe in mineral grey. As you can see, the vehicle is a facelift vehicle by the lovely, very striking facelift headlamps. It's also accompanied with a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit alongside a brand new set of 20-inch 405 M style alloys, which you'll see behind those, the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this Gran Coupe we have got the full M Sport Plus package. Down the side you can not only see it's an exceptionally clean and tidy car, we've got the gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls and matching BMW gloss black air breathers. Thanks to that M Sport Plus package, you do get the sun protection glazing. Inside the vehicle, we've got the very nice exclusive oyster piped black Dakota leather with the electric movement and memory alongside heated seats. In the front, we've got the Harman Kardon surround sound, of course, thanks to that Plus package, as well as the magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. And I shall show you more of the interior details shortly. Rear passengers, you'll find a very spacious and comfortable 3-seat Isofix rear bench with, again, with a central folding armrest and of course the darkened M Sport headlining. And onto the back of the car now, again showing you off those fantastic wheels. And at the back we've opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and then the satin rear diffuser on this vehicle. Opening up that boot, you can see just how big the area is on a Gran Coupe boot. You do also get split folding seats as well as removable top and bottom partial shelves. You'll also see there the very, very sharp looking LED rear facelifted lights. And we shall now go ahead and take a seat inside the car because there is yet some more very nice features awaiting us on the inside. If you want to find out some more about the car, all you have to do is follow the links I'll leave for you in the description. From there you can find out more about the prices and funding options available on this car and all of our other amazing examples, which are all in stock ready to drive away. You'll see there the professional wide navigation and a media screen. The sat nav on the BMW range cars are one of the most easiest, if not the easiest to use. It also utilises real-time traffic updates. Back at the home screen, you'll see there we've also got the Connected Drive Plus on this car. That gives you access to online search, news and weather apps, all powered via Google. Bluetooth telephone and audio, as well as a wide array of multimedia inputs, including the optional extra online entertainment. In just 1 second, we'll hop through and show you the service requirements and service history for the car. You'll also see that it's got dual climate controls as well as switches for the wonderful heated seats. 28,655 is the current mileage, and of course we've got cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, as well as the very nice pedals for that 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. And not forgetting, of course, it is the 435D, so it comes standard with the xDrive 4-wheel drive system. You'll see there it is coming up for a service, so we will be servicing the vehicle in-house. You can see it has got the service history with BMW, and as I mentioned, we shall be servicing the car, so underneath that will be our own service stamp on the iDrive. So there is a look around this very, very nice 435D Gran Coupe M Sport. I do of course hope you enjoyed the walk around, and again, if you would like some more information on the car, follow those links below, and we shall of course hopefully see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care. Again, thank you, bye bye.